friends, welcome to Mindful Cooking at Geeta's Kitchen. The coronavirus pandemic has stirred a variety of emotions and feelings within everyone. As said by Wayne Dyer, give yourself a gift of 5 minutes of contemplation of everything you see around you. Go outside and turn your attention to the many miracles around you. This 5-minute a day regimen of appreciation and gratitude will help you to focus your life. Little things may seem like nothing, but they give you moments of peace and happiness. Our pockets of peace this year have been our puppy, Luca, taking care of our flowers and vegetables in our garden, and spending quality time with the family. Gratitude unlocks the fullness of life. It turns what we love into enough and more. Pay attention to the present moment and all the joy it contains. Stop waiting for happiness and see it in your life right now. Let's make Kerala special Erisseri a gluten-free vegan dish. This curry is an essential item in Kerala Sadya. We need only very few ingredients to make this curry. First, cook 1/4 cup of Red Chori, the red beans, using pressure cooker or instant pot. This is a very small Kabocha Squash that I found in our garden today. You can use any kind of pumpkin. I used half of that squash and cut them into big pieces. It was about 1 1/2 or 2 cups of pieces. Add the squash pieces to turmeric water and boil it for 5 to 8 minutes. Do not overcook the squash pieces. Now you can see the squash is cooked perfectly. You can start adding the cooked beans to the squash. Instead of red beans, you can use the black-eyed white beans also. Mix well. Let the beans and the squash boil together and add half teaspoon of chili powder. If you want more spiciness, you can add more chili powder. I just added 1/2 to 1 teaspoon of chili powder. I'm planning to make a side dish, so didn't add much water. Add salt. I added 1/2 teaspoon salt. If you want more gravy, you can add more water. Now you need to grind 1/4 to 1/2 cup coconut, grated coconut, with 1/4 teaspoon cumin seeds or jeera and 1 or 2 green chilies with very little water, and add that to the curry. Do not cook the curry with coconut. Turn off the stove when the curry starts boiling. Now you can see our Erisseri is ready and it has the perfect consistency to serve as a side dish. Season the curry in coconut oil with mustard seeds, red chilies, curry leaves and coconut. Coconut is optional when you season it. We like roasted coconut in our Erisseri, that is why I added. Normally we don't add roasted coconut to all the Erisseris. This is like this is called varutta erisheri. That means we roasted coconut and added it on top of the erisheri. Now the erisheri is ready, and you can serve this with other curries. Normally, this we use this in Kerala Sadya, where we make all other Kerala curries, avial, kalan, pulinji, olan, pulisheri, etc. If you make this curry with gravy, you can have this with cooked rice, ghee, papad, and pickle. Another combination is with curd rice, pickle, and papad. It's a very tasty curry, protein rich, gluten free, and vegan. Appreciate the amazing transformation from few ingredients into a meal. Really look at your food before you eat and notice the colors. Smell its delicious aroma. Put a bite into your mouth and register the temperature, mouthfeel, and combination of flavors. Enjoy. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to Geeta's Kitchen.